So I really love techno. Hard techno is amazing, and Sara Landry is just on top of the game. I wanted to recreate some hard techno, and I'm using the new TKNNOVAULT All Access Bundle, which is just insane. It makes all this a lot easier. These are some intro vibes, and then this is more drop vibe. Nice. So let's get into it. It's only a couple different elements here, but you need to know how to line them up. The main lows in the bass is coming from this kick. These are rumble kicks. It has that rumble in the back, that huge space and reverb tail. TKNNOVAULT has a lot of these. If you type in kick, we have a lot to choose from. So I'm picking one of these that I like, putting it into the sampler, changing the sampler settings to these, and even highlighting the root note. We're writing an E, so I have this pumped up here on E. That's our kick. So we're using that for the lows, and then the bass line is actually going to have this low cut. This is some MIDI coming from TKNNOVAULT, drag and drop MIDI to make this easy. I did exactly that. You know, you have different MIDI like chord progressions like this, or you can get bassline notes like this. In here, you see the velocity's been changed. The notes have been set up. They did used to look like this, but I kind of shortened them to look like this. We're writing an E minor. This is playing the second and the third right here. And that's going to be flowing with this kick. Very fun. That gets the speed up a lot. And then we have some hats, just adding some extra groove and rhythm. Check out the way these are lined up. So that's going to be adding more speed too, and have a little atmosphere in the background just for some extra texture. I panned it to the right. This is also going to be tuned to E. Very minimal, yet heavy, dark, big. This main bass is coming from a patch from the TKNNOVAULT. This is called Psy Ultimate, and we have this filter doing a lot of work. Reverb, EQ, distortion, EQ, and utility. We have these macros set up too, so I will turn up this bit crush. This is like clean. Turn up the bit. Add a lot of sparkle and extra texture on top. In the drop section, we kind of switch things up with our hats. We have a main offbeat hat. I layer two TKNNOVAULT hats, a closed hat and an open hat to get this type of textures. This is one. This is the other one. Both together. I also got a crash and I chopped it up. So look at how I chopped up this crash here. Listen in again. Add a delay, a pretty heavy delay. 34%, 40%. Adds a lot more body to it and adds a nice tail. Same bass line's playing, same atmosphere's playing. The other hats are gone, and these new hats are in here. And then we have this ethnic vocal, which is really doing a lot. Listen with it off. We also have a little hat right at the end, just adding a little groove here. Just so you know. And then chaos. These come with vocals too, so I added a little pre-drop Little delay automation here.
Chaos, 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 chaos in control.
Hey, vocal. This is really cool. So this vocal is playing, so just so you know, we're writing an E. So this is our scale. The first note of this vocal is playing B, which is the 5th of our scale. And then this next note is being transposed up 2 from C. So we're playing D next, which is the 7th. So we're going from 5th to 7th here with the vocal. You see, I chopped it up and added different notes at different times. And the stutter effect is coming from the transgate. Let's turn off these effects. So that's the vocal. Turn on this transgate, which makes it stutter. Kilohertz, transgate, beautiful. Add some more delay. Make it trippy. Add some reverb, add some space. Lots of space. 9 seconds of decay, 47% dry wet. And then we EQ out all the mud, low mids. Make it clean. Then we turned it down to -9. Ooh, man, that's how we get it done. Quick, easy, hard techno. These sample packs will help you make ideas quickly. And in the future, I can show you how to sound design and make all these sounds from scratch as well. But have fun arranging, composing, and getting into the deep, dark techno. Thank you guys for the support. I will see you soon. Have a great day. Peace.